Hi everybody, my name is Akshay Gary Shankar. This is my first time doing one of these sim reviews and stuff. I'm not going to be spending any money on this channel and stuff. But anyways, with all that formalities and stuff out of the way, this to lighten the mood during these very depressing times, I'm going to try and fly an airplane. Now, this is X-Plane 11 Mobile. X-Plane 11 is compatible with desktop, mobile, PC, I think. And it's supposed to be one of the rival simulators for Microsoft Flight Simulator, Rortos Flight Simulators. Yes, plural flight simulators. They have several programs. GeoFS, Aerofly FS2, Flywings, and of course the Infinite Flight, and of course the infamous Roblox Flight Simulators. No, I'm just kidding, mostly. Anyways, so right now I'm going to start up a flight. I'm going to be loading up my aircraft with 2,500. Oh dear, no, not payload weight of that much. I'm going to go with a full fuel load, and my payload weight is going to be. Oh, okay, I'm just going to keep it right on the edge there, kind of. All right, 2,530. Oh yeah, also you'll notice this is important. I turned off the auto start and dear God, I was actually doing some gardening work before, so I am quite tired, and I don't know if it's my nose acting up, but okay. Also, anyways, as I was saying, I turned off the start with engines running, and yeah, there it is. All of this set all to working. I'm going to use real world time over here. Alright, now Cessna 172, I'm going to try and start this airplane. I'm going to increase the volume. Okay. Oh, this looks very pretty. Okay. Ready. And okay. Alright. Alright, so first things I want to do are the batteries on and the alternators on. Next, I want to put the fuel pump. I want to put the beacon, the rotating beacon light, not the landing light actually, the taxiing lights, the navigation lights, and the strobe lights. Then, I want to turn on the avionics bus 1 and bus 2, it seems. And then I'm going to go over here. I'm going to put the mixture all the way in. Then I'm going to apply just a little bit of throttle. Why am I getting YouTube notifications right now? Yes, I am subscribed to Stephen Colbert. Yes, deal with it. Alright, now I'm going to zoom back into this over here. And I'm going to turn the magneto, the key starter. And what is it? What? How are you? Okay, there. And started. There you go. The propeller is turning. I'm going to set the throttle back down. Just let it idle. And then I'm going to put the throttle back up. And then I'm going to put it back down again. And why is my trim like this? Why is my trim like this? Why am I talking in a very theatrical voice? Okay. I don't know even if that is a theatrical voice. Right, let's check. Yes, flaps are down now. Rudder right, left. Elevators up, down. Roll left, right. Okay. Now we started on the taxiway because I don't know how to start on the ramp yet. Because I just got the simulator for free on my phone in the App Store. Or in like Google Play, so then, okay, so I'm going to just increase the throttle, or advance the throttle, as they say in aviation, right? I'm going to advance the throttle. I'm just going to follow the dotted, or not the dotted, the yellow and black line, um, which is the taxiway, the center line of the taxiway, basically, or the prescribed route, let's say, for lack of better words. Then, oh, look at that beautiful sunset. Okay, now I have tried taking off in the Cessna before. In X-Plane, of course. I am still working on my pilot's license, or I'm hoping to. But, alright. Alright. Actually, I'm gonna just... Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's good. I am hoping to do this once this whole social distancing and whole pandemic is over. I am not at risk of saying this because, unlike other channels, my channel is not monetized. So, despite what you may think, I am not really making any money off of this. I don't even have any merchandise or anything. No merch whatsoever. Okay. Oh, look at the pretty background. Alright. Now, I am just going to advance the throttles ever so slowly. Maybe zoom out just a bit. Okay, just a touch. Right, okay. And I'm going to put the yokes in back. I'm not going to turn that on right now. Okay. Ready? 3, 2. Get the engine to power. Alright. 3, 2. Wait. 3, 2, 1, and... There. Now. I'm just tilting the screen. This thing has a very, very weird tendency to yaw to the left immediately upon letting go of the brakes. It is so weird. Alright, 60 knots. I'm going to roll hard right to counter that, and I am off the ground. Now, I am just going to increase or decrease the flaps in a little bit. Once I get to about 75 knots, I will do that. Ooh, we just passed 420 feet. Nice. Okay. Okay, insert childish joke there. Anyways, 75 knots. Okay, and I shall decrease that. Oh, and you saw the whole thing just plummet there. Alright. Now, I'm gonna just turn. And to end this video, I am going to ride off into the sunset. So the sun is on the left, and there it is. Oh dear, that's loud. That is loud. But anyways, the Cessna. Oh, that's even better. Anyways, to end off the video, or to sign off of this video, thanks for watching. The Cessna is the king of mass commercial aviation, I think. And, yeah, sure. I mean, Cessna riding off into the sunset. It is about as majestic as Jeremy Clarkson on a horse riding off into the sunset. Yeah, so anyways, at 100 knots, I'm just going to sign off of the video. So, thanks for watching, stay safe, and as Scott Manley would say, fly safe.